surprise. Yes, today you guys getting a video. Surprise. It's only me. I know you guys are wondering, we don't normally see Mel on the weekend, but here we are getting a little excitement on this beautiful Saturday. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well, because I'm excited to share this news with you guys, and I know you guys gonna turn up on the excitement for me. So I have something to share with you guys, and I want you guys to shower this announcement with all the love and all the support. And when you do, I want you guys to take yourself with this item, tag me in it, send me all the photos, send me all the comments after you do what you need to do with it, and let me know your experience. So my brother, you guys met my brother this summer while I was on vacation. So I'm happy to announce and share with you guys that my brother is now a full-blown author. Yes, my brother's new book is now out and published just about everywhere that you can think of. First of all, he's full-blown Jamaican, so I know especially all of my Jamaicans will be supporting my brother by purchasing my brother's new children's book. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what the cover of the book looks like, so that when you go to purchase your book, you know exactly what to look for. Now let's zoom in on this illustration. Look at it. So when you go and wherever you are going to click to buy this book, this is what you need to look for. And the book is called Your Wonderful Face. Yes, a great start to being confident and inclusive. Now that's the name of my brother's book. And you're wondering, Mel, tell us where we can get this book, because I know you guys are waiting on all the excitement and where to get this book. Now, are you ready to hear all the places that you can get this book? Because I am ready to tell you guys where you can get it. So you can get this book at Amazon.com, Amazon.com Prime, Amazon.ca, Amazon.ca Prime, Amazon.com AU, Amazon.co.uk, so that's in the UK. You can also get this book at barnesandnobles.com. You can get it at bookdepository.com. You can get it at abbybooks.com, and of course, where everybody know, you can get this book at Walmart. So go ahead right now and support my brother, no matter where in the world that you are. My family are going with big things, and I love the excitement. I love sharing this amazing journey with not just about my family, but with my extended family, with my brother and my mom and my sister and my nephew and my nieces, and all the excitement that's been going on with my family. So go ahead and order my brother's book right now, and whichever one of these outlets that you choose to order this book from, I'm looking forward to you guys sending me your photos of yourself with your book when you receive it, and let me know how you like this book. And it could never have a better title. My brother really sit down and think this book through. He put in the effort of writing the book, and he gave it his all. It's his baby, it's his passion, and I'm so excited to be a part of this journey with my brother. Your Wonderful Face, a great start to being confident and inclusive. So yes, there you guys have the exciting announcement. So thank you guys in advance to everybody that will be ordering a book, and I'm sure you guys will enjoy that read. But of course, I want to hear all about it so that I can share all these messages and these photos with my brother. Love you guys, mwah, 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 wherever in the world you guys are. Appreciate you guys for always showing us love. Love, no enough. Catch up and keep up. And of course, I'll be back with the rest of the fam tomorrow. See you guys. One important piece of information that I left out that I think you guys need to know: it is a children's book. So if you don't wish to read the book and you have nieces and nephews and neighbors and friends, buy a copy and send it to them as a surprise, as a gift, or just a be kind gesture. Love you guys, and I know you guys will be ordering books from all across the world. Oh, and just before I go, I'll make sure I leave the link down below of all these places that you can find my brother book, so it will be accessible. So scroll down below this video in the description box. You can get easy access to click and it take you right to the book. So go ahead and purchase your book, please. Love you guys.